haven't been posting for a very long time. I have this slime. It's from this ball. Not exactly this ball, but another ball. It's very sticky. I'm going to be fixing this in a later video. See that? Okay. Okay. So we're gonna be cutting this one out. And then yeah, I have another Play-Doh container. Hold on, let me just go get that. I will be back. I could not find another Play-Doh container, so we're just going to be using this M&M container. Okay, let me go cut it open. Look guys, okay, let's get this Play-Doh container ready. I'll cut my sister's out. Her was a freaking mess. Where did I cut it? Okay, I got it right here. Okay, I see it. Actually really sticky. I don't want to put it in there. Look at how sticky it is getting inside of there. No, it's not going in there. I don't know where it's about to go, but not in there. Okay, we could just put some over. Where's the hole? The hole keeps disappearing. Okay. Holes. Okay, yes sir. Oh my god, guys. Oh no. This is bad. Okay, let's move it on top of this chip container. Okay. Don't stick to this, please. This is good. This is like good slime. Oh, dang. It's all spilling all over the chip bag. That's good, though. Okay, this is actually stickier than I thought. Okay. I think I have containers. Thank God. Okay, and it does not stick to the thing. This will be a good video to watch. Okay, so guys, that was a crazy explosion. Like, it literally all popped out from, look at that. I didn't even cut that. I cut somewhere else. Like, yeah, let's just make another chip bag just in case that leaks. Because look at that, it's already leaking. Oh, no. Okay, yo, if this like touches the freaking floor, guys, I'm dead. Because we're moving. I'm doing some vlogs on that. I'm doing vlogs at Camp Stomping Ground, period, poo. That's what I'm about to be doing there. Last vlog, I think I'm about to put it on YouTube after I edit it. I went to Walmart and bought these actually. Okay, let's just stick you over here, buddy. Okay. Let's stick that, buddy. No. Oh, God. Okay. Yeah, guys, I hope you're having freaking fun watching this freaking video. Because I'm not. Bro, this slime is a freaking disaster. The slime is freaking not good. Like, the slime is way too dang sticky. Kneaded it a little bit. Okay, and of course it spills over. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. Just knead that in. Okay. Okay. I think I'm gonna go get a container, okay guys? Okay. Oh, my hair. Guys, I got containers. I will be back. Oh my god, that was crazy. Okay, the slime is a freaking disaster mess. I got some containers. We're probably definitely gonna need more. Okay. What is that? See, I remember that video. I fixed the clear slime in this. Oh, the clear slime. I'm surprised it's not hard. Clear. Guys, look at this. This is the clear slime that I made. That I fixed. Yo, that thing was foggy as heck. 4 containers and 3 tops. Okay. Just good. Just perfect. Okay, let's just lift this up. No. Okay. Put that in there. Okay. We got freaking maybe 4 cups of dang slime that I'm gonna be selling at school for the last freaking 5 days. Like, bruh. I must be getting roasted as heck. Okay, that's 1. Okay, let's do the second. Pour you in. It just literally dropped inside. No. Okay, here's the other slime. It's not as. Oh no. Okay, see, hold on. Not to pop these at apartment complex that we do not own. Okay, see the difference? This one's lighter than this way. I could pour this into there, actually. Some of this. Look at this. Why did I do this? I'm so stupid. Okay. I only needed 2 containers. I'm very surprised. In the chip bag. And there's probably some under this. Oh wow, there's not as much as I thought that was gonna be under it. Yo. I'm so about to get in trouble if I literally don't clean this all up. Like when I say clean it all up, like get off my freaking hands. No. Okay. You got that. We need to talk. Just comment down below if you want me to change the prices. And this is only to my school, sorry guys. Another $2, $4. Okay. Get off my freaking hand. I don't know what you are. Okay. Now let's just squirt. In here. Okay. Like I said. Okay. Look at the fluorescent beauty. Okay, look at that. Look at it. Yeah. Yeah, bud. Okay. Look at this mess. I'm gonna show you. We just have juice box everywhere. Okay. We get our house. Because we're moving, like I said. Hey. Okay. Look at that. Cool. Why am I even playing with this? Why am I trying to play with this? What's up before my mom get home? Right now my Nana home, but she in the living room. Nana, but my mom's like, okay, I'm not explaining to this. I live with my Nana, but my mom. Oh my god, it just went on my foot. Yo, this is a horrible idea. My hands are hot. Oh god. I'm melting it instead of fixing it. I should have never needed it. Something. In trouble. Yo, I need to get this off my hands. This need to come off my. Oh, I'm about to. Get, bruh. Freaking melted that is. That's literally glue. All that is glue. Not coming off. All it is doing is melting. Yeah. Yo, this is game over. Game over. Like, here. No. Come on, get off my freaking hand. I just washed it. Yo, I gotta get this off the carpet. Okay. We can just get the rest of this. I'm not touching. But I gotta activate it. Cause I got contact solution. Da, da, da. Contact solution. Okay. Cause this is tiny. Just gotta wait. Hey, go in there, go in there, go in there, go in there. Whoa. Ew. Is that hair that I see? Look at it. Ew. Ew. It is hair that I see. Ew, 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 ew. No, don't melt on my phone gaming. No, no, no. Oh my god, no, no, no. Don't get off my freaking hand before you melt. Dang. Flip. Okay. Y'all go in the garbage. Okay. Garbage pile? Okay. My mom's outside talking, I think, or something. I got 3 containers of slime. What am I gonna do with? Oh, it's on the carpet. Oh my god, we're gonna have to pay so freaking much for this damn carpet. Oh god, look at that. That's so freaking clear. It's so beautiful. Yo, this video is gonna be freaking hour. Like, bruh, hurry up. Okay, now we gotta clean this up, like, guys. I'm about to get in shrubs. Like, for real. Look it. Okay, let me stop being weak. Okay, I really gotta clean this up now. Oh, no. How am I gonna get that off the freaking... Yo, this is the horriblest day of my life. How the flip? Oh, it came off. Duh, duh, duh. Ew. Look, guys. Who? Wash my hands, because I gotta actually clean this. Hold on. Let's see if there's any more. Okay. Shine, shine bright like a diamond. Oh, 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 lo, 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 lo. Okay, okay. This. Okay, let's clean this up. Garbage. Where'd the... Okay, I'll be back. my freaking thumb. What was that? Who played with stuff? Look at this. I'm gonna show you Taylor's when I get done. Taylor's is so. Guess the color. Fart. Pearl. Guess the color. Pink or purple? I think. What color is this? Pink or purple? Okay, let me stop because if my mama watch my freaking YouTube channel, I'm gonna get in trouble. Pink or purple? Pink or purple? Okay. Look at this. Pink or purple? I'm gonna vote. This is like a purplish color. What color is it to you? I think it's like purple. I think it's purple. What do you got? I don't know. What color do y'all think this is? Now on the camera, it looks like pink. But in person, it actually look real like dark. Like dark. Not like dark. Okay, I'm being extra now. But like, period. Okay, guys. I'm about to clean up in fast mode, so I'll be back. Fine.
They'll have one of your kids, one of their kids.
Okay.
And when they go think that I'm being, anybody think I'm being prejudiced or not, I'm not.
Okay, look at this.
I don't know what one to pick.
Ha.
I don't want my ugly mug.
You don't want what?
I don't want one of my ugly mugs.
Your ugly mug?
Yeah.
Cool. You could tell this is.
I wish they had the one, I thought they took a picture of.
And like real life, when you feel it, you could be like store-bought.
For some reason.
Like the Pope crap.
Yeah.
I don't have one of me and Bob at all.
Oh no?
Not together.
Too hot, baby. Honey, you're going too fast. Give me a second.
Ooh, almost dropped it.
Yeah, we're gonna look at Taylor's side.
No, I don't want that one. I picked one, but it wasn't one I wanted. How do I get rid of it?
You should have your little arrow.
Yeah.
Oh,
Right.
just go back?
Yeah.
Okay.
Get the 50 up. Look at the quality.
No.
Okay.
No, I want you to read that one. She's a big meanie head.
Who's a big mini ad?
Taylor.
Oh.
Sorry, you want all three girls together.
Something like that, babe.
I got them separately over there, but I only want three girls together.
Ready, set, go. Go.
You want that one?
Okay, let's see.
I thought this one was three girls together.
It looks beautiful.
No, it's not, though.
Okay.
You don't want it.
I do.
Okay.
Mom,
Alright,
soon
so
I'm gonna
let's
be a
keep it out.
vegetarian.
You cannot.
Soon I'm gonna be the only vegetarian.
Do you know what a vegetarian is?
Mm-hmm.
What is it?
It's a person that only eats fruits and vegetables.
You're right. They don't eat no meat. So you don't want no meat anymore?
Nuh-uh.
You don't like hamburger and chicken
No, I hate
and
hamburger.
tacos.
I hate tacos. They taste so bad.
Mm-hmm.
And now I'm eating a nutritious
Can't
I
see all
see.
my Sydney.
Can you go get me the
She like.
come here. Can you go get me the
I
laundry
think
basket?
that would be a
Does
good.
it have anything in it, please?
I think that would be a good diet for Taylor, cause she like fruit and vegetables and stuff like that. She don't really like eat meat like that.
They're not doing it.
Så the make it put a band take up I had to solve it. Ha! Who know how to piece? Ha da da in the da da dee da 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 in the da da dee.
I need you to get in the bath, please.
Okay.
They're all set. Is there any way I can fix? Oh, you know what? I can fix that.
Cause it's full of. I was doing this video, very funny video. But guys, make sure you like, comment,